Hello my friend, in this video I'm going to show you the top 4 tips how to become freelancers, how to make money from home, make money online and start to earn up to $500 a day. So just copy paste whatever in this video and follow the strategy, and if you see any value please like and subscribe to the channel.
4 tips for making a living as a freelancer. Hey there. Are you tired of the 9-to-5 grind and looking for a way to make a living on your terms? Then you might be considering a career as a freelancer. But where do you start? In this video, we're sharing 4 tips for making a living as a freelancer. 1. Find your niche. What are you passionate about and have expertise in? The more specific you can be, the better. Not only will this help you stand out in a crowded market, but it will also make it easier to attract the right clients. Here are some steps for finding your niche as a freelancer. Identify your passions and expertise. What are you interested in and what skills do you have? Consider your hobbies, past work experience, and any education or training you have received. Look at what types of freelancers are in demand and what services they offer. What gaps do you see in the market that you could fill with your unique skills and interests? Be specific. The more specific you can be about the services you offer, the better. This will make it easier for potential clients to understand what you do and how you can help them. For example, instead of just saying I'm a writer, try I'm a freelance copywriter specializing in website content for small businesses. Test the waters. Once you have a good idea of what your niche might be, try offering your services to a few potential clients. This will give you a sense of whether there is demand for what you have to offer. As you start working with clients, pay attention to the types of projects you enjoy the most and the ones that are the most successful. This will help you refine your niche and ensure that you are offering services that you are passionate about and that clients are willing to pay for. 2. Build a strong portfolio. As a freelancer, your portfolio is your best marketing tool. Make sure to showcase your best work and highlight any relevant accomplishments or certifications. Here are some tips for building a strong portfolio as a freelancer. Choose your best work. Your portfolio should only include your very best work, so take some time to carefully select the projects that you want to showcase. Consider the type of work you want to do in the future and choose projects that align with those goals.
Check out the video down below. There's a lot of videos and links. Just check them out and they might help you to make money online. Just follow this thread.
The visual aspect of your portfolio is just as important as the content. Make sure to use high-quality images that showcase your work in the best light. Include relevant information. Along with each project, include a brief description of the work you did, any challenges you faced, and the results you achieved. This will give potential clients a better understanding of your skills and capabilities. Highlight your accomplishments. If you have any notable accomplishments or certifications, make sure to include them in your portfolio. This could include awards, media mentions, or industry recognition. Keep it up to date. As you take on new projects and build your skills, make sure to update your portfolio regularly. This will show potential clients that you are actively working and constantly improving your craft. 3. Set clear boundaries and expectations. Freelancing can be unpredictable, but it's important to set clear boundaries with your clients to ensure a healthy working relationship. This includes things like communication expectations, payment terms, and deadlines. Communicate your availability. Let your clients know when you are available to work and when you are not. This could include your work schedule, vacation days, and any other commitments you have. Establish communication expectations. Determine how often you will communicate with your clients and what methods of communication you will use. Will you have regular check-ins via phone, email, or video calls? Make sure to communicate these expectations to your clients. Set clear payment terms. Make sure to communicate your payment terms to your clients upfront. This should include your rate when you expect to be paid, and any late payment fees you may charge. Establish deadlines. Deadlines are important for keeping projects on track and ensuring that you and your clients are on the same page. Make sure to establish deadlines for each project and communicate them to your clients. Respect your boundaries. It's important to remember that you are running your own business, and it's okay to say no to work that doesn't align with your values or boundaries. Don't be afraid to turn down work that doesn't fit with what you are comfortable doing or that doesn't align with your long-term goals. 4. Invest in your business. As a freelancer, you are your boss. That means it's up to you to invest in your success. This could include things like continuing education, upgrading your equipment, or hiring support staff. Here are some tips for investing in your business. Continuing education. Staying up to date on industry trends and developments is crucial for staying competitive as a freelancer. Consider investing in courses, workshops, or other forms of continuing education to stay current. Upgrading your equipment. Having the right tools and equipment can make a big difference in the quality of your work and your productivity. Consider investing in things like a new computer, a better camera, or other equipment that will help you do your job more effectively. Hiring support staff. If you find that you are overwhelmed with work, it might be worth considering hiring support staff to help you manage your workload. This could be an assistant, a virtual assistant, or someone to help with things like scheduling and invoicing. Marketing and advertising. Investing in marketing and advertising can help you reach new clients and grow your business. Consider things like creating a website, investing in social media marketing, or running targeted ads. Professional development. Investing in your professional development can help you improve your skills and stay competitive in your field. This could include things like coaching or mentorship programs, or simply setting aside time for self-study. Overall, it's important to continually evaluate your business needs and identify areas where investing in your business can help you reach your long-term goals. Thanks for watching. We hope these tips have helped you on your journey to making a living as a freelancer. Remember, it takes time and hard work, but with dedication and the right mindset, you can achieve your goals and work on your own terms. Best of luck.